When comparing Hemlane to DoorLoop, it's evident that both platforms have their strengths and advantages. While DoorLoop offers an impressive array of features that can replace the need for an accountant, Hemlane offers a user-friendly property management solution with a focus on basic income and expense tracking. So which one should you choose? Welcome back, Loopers. It's Mohammed Abu-Ghosh with DoorLoop. Don't forget to stick around to the end to see how you can get a discount on our software if you're interested. Before diving into a detailed comparison of Hemlane and DoorLoop, it's essential to outline the specific criteria we're going to use to evaluate both options. The following factors will be considered. User-friendliness. We will assess the ease of use of both platforms, looking at how intuitive and accessible their interfaces are for property managers. Financial management features. This category will focus on the financial tools and capabilities offered by each platform. Specifically, we will examine the income and expense tracking, vendor bill payment, and any additional accounting features. Property management automation. We'll evaluate the extent to which each platform can automate various aspects of property management, such as finding new tenants, signing leases, collecting rent payments, and tracking finances. And of course, user reviews. We'll include some insights from real users to provide a balanced perspective on the user experience with both Hemlane and DoorLoop. And we can't forget about the pricing structure. A comparison of the pricing models and costs associated with each platform will be presented, considering the various tiers and their respective features. And our last criteria will be support and training. The availability of customer support, training options, and the level of support provided by the platform will be examined as well. All right, I know that was a lot, but with these criteria in mind, we can dive into a detailed comparison of Hemlane and DoorLoop to help you make the most informed decision possible. When it comes to Hemlane's features, they offer property managers a range of features to help streamline their operations. Hemlane provides an intuitive platform designed to simplify property management tasks, making it accessible for a wide range of users. With its basic income and expense tracking, Hemlane can help property managers keep an eye on their financials. Hemlane also enables users to pay vendor bills through the system, offering convenience for property management tasks. When it comes to getting new tenants, Hemlane offers tenant screening services, which can be valuable for ensuring the right tenants are selected. Hemlane's pricing structure includes various tiers based on the number of units managed. Their basic plan starts at $30 per month, their essential plan starts at $40 per month, and their complete plan starts at $60 per month. And now we can take a look at some of the insights from users who have had a positive experience with Hemlane. Hemlane's platform is incredibly user-friendly. It's so easy to navigate and handle tasks like paying vendor bills and tracking financials. Another user said, tenant screening with Hemlane has been a game changer for our property management business. It streamlines our tenant selection process. So now that we've examined Hemlane, let's take a look at DoorLoop and see how it stacks up. DoorLoop stands out with its comprehensive accounting suite, designed to simplify financial management for property managers. DoorLoop streamlines various aspects of property management as well, from finding tenants to signing leases, collecting rent payments, and tracking financials, all done automatically. DoorLoop also goes the extra mile with unlimited accounting training, ensuring you're well-equipped and ready to manage your finances effectively. DoorLoop accommodates various property types, including residential, commercial, student housing, community associations, affordable housing, mobile homes, and self-storage. You may also be thrilled to know that DoorLoop offers QuickBooks integration, but many of our users prefer using our accounting tools instead. One of our users said that we used to use QuickBooks for our company accounting, but no longer. The best part about DoorLoop is that it works exactly like QuickBooks, so it's very familiar to all of us. We can see profit and loss reports per property. DoorLoop comes pre-built with many reports we can use out of the box. DoorLoop also enables you to customize your chart of accounts. And if you need an accountant, DoorLoop allows you to invite them for easy collaboration. DoorLoop's pricing structure is designed with scalable growth in mind. Our starter plan comes in at $49 per month for your first 20 units, with our Pro plan and Premium plan coming in at $99 and $149 respectively. And if you want to take advantage of a special limited time discount we're running on this video, then click the link below to schedule your free demo with one of our account executives today. They'll ask questions about your specific needs and help you decide if DoorLoop is the right fit for you. You can also click this button right here. Wrapping everything up, when comparing Hemlane to DoorLoop, both are great options, and the software that property managers choose really just comes down to your specific needs. If you feel like DoorLoop might be the right option for you, get your free demo below, but whatever you decide to do, we hope you found this video helpful. Good luck on your property management journey, and we'll see you soon, Loopers.